Good morning, students. Welcome to St. Joseph online classes. I'm Meenakshi Veri, your maths teacher. Today, I'm going to start new topic with you, that is fractions. Children, do you know what is fraction? When something is divided into equal parts. When something is divided into equal parts, each part is called a fraction of the whole. All the fractions taken together make the whole. 1 is divided into 2 equal parts gives 2 halves. 1 is divided into 5 equal parts. The fraction is 1 by 5. 1 is divided into 8 equal parts. The fraction is 1 by 8. 1 is divided into 12 equal parts. The fraction is 1 by 12. When something is divided into equal parts, each part is called a fraction of the whole. All the fractions taken together make the whole. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 1. If 1 is divided into 3 equal parts, gives fraction 1 by 3. If 1 is divided into 4 equal parts, if 1 is divided into 4 equal parts, gives 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. We can add the numerators and denominator we will not add. We will write it one time only. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Children, you can add the numerators only. That is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 by 4. You can add the numerators, but denominator you have to write only one time. We will not add the denominators in like fractions. We will add only numerators. We will add only numerators. Denominators we will not add in like fraction. We will write it only one time. If we add 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, answer is 3 by 4. Write a fraction in numbers. How can you write the fraction in numbers? Right. Number of parts we are talking about upon total number of equal parts. Okay. Number of parts we are talking about upon total number of equal parts. If we divide any picture into equal parts only, then only we are able to write down the fractions of that picture. 5 is numerator, 7 is denominator. The number on the top is numerator, the number at the bottom is the denominator. 5 by 7. 5 is numerator, 7 is denominator. 5 is numerator, 7 is denominator. A fraction is having two parts, numerator and denominator. The number on the top is numerator, the number at the bottom is denominator. The name of a fraction follows the ordinal name of the denominator. Children, do you know what is ordinal numbers? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. These are ordinal numbers. 1. You will not write 1. We will write first. Okay. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Like this, when we will write, all these are the ordinal numbers. When we will write the fractions in words, we will use the ordinal numbers. For example, 5 by 6 is written. If we have to write it in words, we'll write 5, 6. Denominator will write in ordinal number. We'll not write 5, 6. We'll write 5, 6. X-I-X T-H-S. 5, 6. 9 by 10, 9 tenths. 4 by 11, 4 elevenths. 4 elevenths. 9 tenths. 9 tenths. 4 elevenths. We can also say 5 by 6, 9 by 10 and 4 by 11. We can write in words like this also. 1 by 4 is a quarter and 3 by 4 is a 3/4. 1 by 4 we will write as a quarter. Okay, 1 by 4 means quarter. 1 by 4 or quarter. 3 by 4 means 3/4. 1/4, 3/4. 1/4, 3/4. 1/4, 3/4. 1 by 3 of the 9 balls are red. That means 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 2 by 3 of the 9 balls are yellow. 2 by 3 of the 9 balls are yellow. 2 by 3 of 9 means 2 by 3 multiplied by 9. We can cancel 9 with 3. Answer will come 3 and 3 multiplied by 2 out is 6. That means 6 balls are yellow. 1 by 3 of the 9. That means out of 9 balls only 3 balls are red. Okay. Out of 9, 3 balls are red. 1 by 3 of 9. 2 by 3 of 9 is equal to 6 balls are yellow balls. Let's see one more picture. In this picture you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 stars. Okay. And all the 12 stars are green. Okay. All the 12 stars are green. 1 by 4 of the stars, 12 stars are blue. If you have to find out, then you have to do 1 by 4 of 12. 1 by 4 multiplied by 12. 4 you can cut 12 with 4. Answer is 3. 3 ones are 3. That means 3 stars are blue. Fraction of a number is equal to numerator, number and divided by the denominator. Okay. Numerator divided by the denominator. Numerator multiply by number divided by the denominator. Numerator multiply by number divided by denominator. Numerator multiply by number divided by denominator. Now children, I am going to start exercise 9th A. Please open your books. Exercise 9th A. In first picture, color to show the fraction. In first picture, color to show the fraction. Okay, that means out of 6 children, how many parts you can see in this picture? This picture is having 6 parts, right? And out of 6 you have to color 5 parts. In second picture, the fraction is 7 by 9. Out of 9 pictures, you have to color 7 pictures, right? In third question, out of 7, you have to color 4 parts. How many parts you have to color? 4 parts you have to color. In first picture, out of 6, you have to color 5 parts. In 7 by 9, out of 9, you have to color 7 parts. In 4 by 7, out of 7, you have to color 4 parts. Right, children? Now do all the work in the classwork copy. Write in numbers and the words the fraction shaded. A part, children, here you can see 4 parts in this picture. In first one, out of 4 parts, 3 parts are colored. That's why the fraction is 3 by 4 or 3/4. 3 by 4 and 3/4. B part, this picture is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Out of 5 parts, how many parts are colored? Yes, out of 5, 3 parts are colored. That's why the fraction is 3 by 5 or 3/5. 3/5. 3/5. In C part, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts. Out of 7 parts, 3 parts are colored. Right? That's why the fraction is 3 by 7. And if you write it in words, it is 3/7. 3/7. 3/7. Now see E part. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 parts are there. And out of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts are colored. That's why the fraction is 6 by 12 or 6/12. TWELFTHS. Okay. In F part, you can see how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Out of 16, how many parts are colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's why the fraction is 8 by 16. Okay, 8 by 16 or 8/16. THS. After spelling, you have to write THS. Now see the G part. How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Out of 14, how many parts are colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's why the fraction is 7 by 14. 7/14. 7/14. 7/14. Now children, we will do question number 3. Fill in the blanks. In 5 by 7, numerator is 5 and the denominator is 7. In 5 by 7, numerator is 5 and the denominator is 7. Question number 2. If the numerator is 7 and the denominator is 9, the fraction is 7 by 9. If the numerator is 7 and the denominator is 9, the fraction is 7 by 9. Third one, if 1 is divided into equal parts, each part is 1 by 4 or 1/4 of the whole. If 1 is divided into 4 equal parts, each part is a 1 by 4 or 1/4 of the whole. Fourth one, the number of quarters that make a whole is 4. The number of quarters that make a whole is 4. The number of quarters that make a whole is 4. Now children, do all the work in your classwork copy neatly. Try to solve more questions. Be safe in your houses. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much once again.